Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to update your graphics card. If your system is running slower, your graphics card might be out of date, so updating the graphics card might fix the problem. So let's get started. Right click on the window button, go to task manager, go to device manager, so from your device manager click display adapter. So you see the list of graphics card installed. So here is the NVIDIA graphics card I have in my system. So if it's need updating, just right click update driver. So you have two options here. Is either you do it manually or you do it automatically. So the automatic process require you to have an internet connection. So let's try the first one. Click on search. So now search for updated drivers on Windows updates will be your options now, because this driver is up to date, which is why it's showing me the best driver for your device are already installed. So in your own case, your system might be very slow, so just click search for updated drivers on Windows updates. So it will open Windows updates and check whether you have a driver, a graphics card that needs to be updated. So in my own case now, I can just click check for updates. If there's an update, it will show me and update the graphics card. So the second options is going to right click again, click updates, click browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. In my own case, I already have a manual installation of the GeForce GT 730, the graphics card installed in my desktop PC. So all I need to do is click next. Installing drivers, I don't want to install, so I would rather close now because the graphics card is up to date. That's it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, like, comment and subscribe.